The mini version's good too. I think the bigger one's a lot more, but this is wonderful. It changed my face structure. Hey everyone, it's me Ice, and today I wanted to do a nighttime routine again because someone asked me in the comment section about me using Nuface. I think I said that in the previous video. So now that I have downtime and my project is finished, I'm gonna go ahead and use it today. So basically I'm just gonna show you like a step-by-step of how I do my skincare. It's very easy, but I'm gonna show you what I do with using Nuface. Guys, as you so this is my skin. I just got out of the shower. Of course, you know the products I use: Herb & Eden's facial wash. Use Icelove's Beauty for 10% off your purchase. I had to put some acne patches on this thing here and this one here. It did go down. It's just, I don't know what happened. I feel like ever since I used the beauty blender, which I have a love-hate relationship with that because of this stuff, like acne shows up. I don't know if I want to use it again, but I will say I just made a purchase with Huda Beauty for her like summer sale that I will make a video for. Bought her 3 beauty blenders, so this should be like interesting. I am a fan of it. I do love it, but it has like neutral tones to it, so it was, I think it's 60% off on her website, up to 60% off on her website. So you guys should check it out if you love Huda Beauty products, which I am obsessed. I am a huge fan of Huda Beauty. You guys know that. Of course, you guys know I prep my lips with the Algenist Lip Collagen, and then I'm gonna top it off with the Alpine Beauty right now because it's been sitting on my lips for a minute. So I'm just gonna dab a little bit and put it right here. I think there was a sale a while back for the Nuface, like the whole kit. It was like this, I believe I paid $200 for. I'm not too sure. There was a sale. There was another sale recently as well, and they like slashed the price on the whole set, but it's over. I got the mini one. I didn't need the big one, so again, also like Gusha your face as well. That is also wonderful too. This is just electrical, but it makes a massive difference. My face changed. I feel like I have more structure. The mini version's good too. I think the bigger one's a lot more, but this is wonderful. It changed my face structure. People thought like I was stressed, so to say, or like I said, no, I'm fine. I just, you know, skincare routine changes. So on TikTok, this girl said that she used this box here. This is the Clean Skin Club Uncommon Skincare Creations. This is what I use to wipe my face after a wash because towels have a lot of bacteria in it. This has over 50 sheets in here. There are more on the website. I'll link this down below. So I've been using this for my face and I love it. I used to use towels, but I will only use the towel like twice and then put it away because I felt like, oh god, this is dirty, this is gross. Like, who will keep using a towel? So I like this option and my skin has been fine. And yeah, it's ultra soft, 100% biodegradable, cruelty-free, and vegan. And this is great for all my skincare girlies, and you know, it helps a lot with cleaning your skin. So now this comes separately as well. When you first get the pack of from Nuface, you do get like a bottle, but I used the bottle up, so I had to buy a separate gel. This I will link down below. It should be this is at Sephora. So it comes in a pump like this. I'll come a little closer here. There you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it and show you how I do it. I'm just letting you know now, like, it will sting. I haven't tested it. I don't feel like it because it stings so bad last time. But having it in the middle is just right. You're gonna hear, there you go. And I like to just massage through my laugh lines. I like to just do something like that, nice and slow. Alright you guys, so that was my nighttime routine using Nuface, and I hope this helps. This is how I use it. There are many other users on YouTube that show you how to apply Nuface and with the aqua gel. You guys, I love this product. I have seen amazing results from it. My face is more defined, so I hope this helps someone out there. And I will be filming a new video soon with my Huda Beauty items that I purchased from the sale pretty soon. And again guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.